Want to display the date on your Apple Watch? In this guide, I'll show you 2 simple methods to get it done in just a few steps. Whether you prefer doing it directly on your watch or using your iPhone, you'll have today's date showing on your watch face in no time. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Let's start with the Apple Watch itself. Tap and hold the watch face until you feel a slight vibration and see the Edit options. Tap on Edit to enter the watch face editing mode. Navigate to the Complications section. This is where you'll see the customizable areas outlined with white boxes. Tap the area where you want to add the date. On the Complication selection screen, tap the back button in the top left corner to view the full list of complications. From the list, select Calendar, and then choose Today's Date. Finally, press the digital crown to save your changes and return to your watch face. Just like that, the date is now displayed. But if you prefer using your iPhone, no problem. Simply open the Watch app on your iPhone. Under the My Faces section, tap on the watch face you want to edit. Scroll down to the Complications section and tap the area where you want the date to appear. From the list of available complications, select Today's Date under the Calendar options. Your Apple Watch face will update automatically with the new setting. That's it. Whether you choose the watch or the iPhone method, you're now all set to keep the date right where you can see it. If this guide helped, feel free to share it with anyone who could use a little Apple Watch tip.